group icon to create a new group. I'm going to click and drag this snow layer in there. I'm going to collapse it, and now it's in that group. Next, I'm going to hold Alt, Option on the Mac, and click on the layer mask icon to create a black layer mask which hides everything. Then, with the brush tool, I can paint with white on this layer mask to start revealing some of that snow. So I'm going to use the bracket keys in the keyboard as I work to increase and decrease the size of my brush. So I'm just painting with white, just bringing in some of that snow. Snow a little bit better. Photoshop CC, you won't have the libraries panel, but you can still download the watermark previews onto your desktop and bring them into Photoshop as you would any other image. So what I'm going to do now is just select one of these elements and bring it over to the file that I'm working with. So I'm going to click on the lasso tool and I'm going to select this element first. So I'm going to select it, go to edit and copy, or you can press Ctrl C. I'm going to deselect that element, Ctrl D, Command D on the Mac, go back into the file that we're working with, and I'm going to paste it here, Ctrl V, Command D on the Mac, and there it is. As you can see, it's a high resolution file, which is good. I'm going to change the blend mode to green so the black pixels disappear, and keep rotating it. So maybe something like this. And I can, scale it more if I need to, or rotate it more if I need to. So whatever distortions I need to do for it to work. So maybe something like that. So I just press Enter to accept that transformation. And I'm going to use one more element. I'm going to use this one right down here. Again, Ctrl C, copy, and paste that in here. Change the blend mode to screen. Ctrl T to transform. That's Command T in the Mac. Ctrl 0. Command 0 on the Mac, and scale this one in as well. And I'm going to zoom in, and here. We can of course create a selection around the black area to isolate it, but I like working with vectors better because they and I know I'm selecting some of the sky, but that's okay. I'm going to get rid of that by pressing X on the keyboard, which swaps the foreground and background color. So with black, I'm going to paint on that layer mask to get rid of the sky here. And I'm not going to take the time to do so now. I will do that after the tutorial and you can see the final image, but I'm just going to go around the entire image and just make sure that everything is matched